This is the afternoon edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Thursday, the 16th of August. I'm James Spann. Got some storms firing up over the western side of the state today, but central and east Alabama is dry. We'll take a look at some of the Skycam shots around the network. First off, coming from Birmingham, it's a mostly sunny afternoon. We'll go to way down south, check the Gulf Shore Skycam. Looks good there in the Alabama Gulf Coast. That's looking west from high atop the Phoenix All Suites. The sky is mostly sunny, but looky here. We've got rain falling in Demopolis. And that image coming in from the Spann Twitter army is down in Hale County. You can see a big rain shaft there on the left. Good storm structure as some strong storms have indeed fired up over parts of West Alabama this afternoon. In fact, you can see those convective clusters nicely from the water vapor satellite imagery over parts of west and southwest Alabama back into Mississippi. But again, the air is drier to the east. There's the radar at 210, and most of the showers and storms are along and west of U.S. 43. That's some big ones just below Tuscaloosa. Really heavy rain falling in parts of Sumter County at that point. But again, today, temperatures are generally below average. Birmingham, 88. Can we reach 90 today? I think we will, but barely. The hot spot down south, Montgomery, they've got 95. That feels like August in Alabama. But look at the cool air coming down the pike. That is a very refreshing fall air mass. We had a few spots in Montana in the 30s this morning. Temperatures at mid-afternoon only in the low 60s up north, and that cold front is easing in here, and that will bring an increase in showers and storms statewide tomorrow. Some of the storms could be strong. Now, for the rest of today and tonight, we've got the standard slight risk of severe weather from near Tulsa up to about Indianapolis. That's in advance of that front. And tomorrow, about the northern half of Alabama is in the standard slight risk of severe weather. And again, the main issue would be from hail and strong gusty winds. We'll keep an eye on things. And then on day 3, which is Saturday, we have got low end 5% probabilities basically along and south of Interstate 20. And the northern half of the state starts to dry out, at least the northern quarter of the state, I should say, up around the Tennessee Valley. Check the rain forecast for the next 5 days. This is valid through Tuesday morning of next week, and this is showing the heavier rains down south. And the reason for that, drier air slowly works into North Alabama over the weekend and early next week, and that's going to push the better chance of rain down south. And really, down there, they never get in dry air. But again, it's good to see that type of rain here in August because it can be so hot and so dry this time of the year. Tropical weather. What's left of TD7 is emerging into the Bay of Campeche, and that's moving northwest. That might affect the lower Rio Grande Valley in a few days or early next week, but it's awfully close to land, and I don't think it regenerates. Gordon, the tropical storm, is out in the middle of the Atlantic. It's basically in the middle of nowhere and stays in the middle of nowhere. It'll be moving east, maybe briefly becoming a minimal hurricane late tomorrow night or Saturday morning, and then it becomes a post-tropical storm east of the Azores early next week. And, of course, that's no issue for us. We'll check the modeling. This is the GFS. This is the 12Z run, valid at 1 o'clock tomorrow afternoon at 500 millibars. You can see the deep trough over eastern Canada helping to push that cold front south. At midday tomorrow, the front should be up around the Ohio River, and we should see an increase in showers and storms tomorrow. Not going to rain all day, but it could rain at any time during the day. The better chance tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow night. And again, the storms could be strong, and I doubt if we make it out of the 80s. Now, Saturday, we've talked about this for days. The dry air just creeps in here, but this is a pretty cool air mass, so I'm beginning to think the GFS might be onto something. So I think for Saturday, the better chance of showers and storms along and south of Interstate 20. If you're in places like Huntsville, Haleyville, Cullman, the day Saturday should be mostly dry. Birmingham and Point South will maintain the chance of storms. And on Sunday, the dry air keeps on dropping south, and we're starting to think that now much of North Alabama could be dry Sunday. So we're going to really move toward dropping the chance of rain considerably on Sunday. For the Birmingham Metro, Tuscaloosa, Anniston, Gadsden, the better chance probably south of Montgomery. And then Monday, you can see how the front's kind of hung up there along US 80. So same deal. Monday, North Alabama, dry air. South Alabama, a chance of scattered showers and storms. Up this way, we'll have pretty cool mornings. We might see some 50s maybe early Monday or early Tuesday. There's Tuesday. Kind of just depends on how much of that dry air gets in here, how low the dew points go, but it looks pretty refreshing. Wednesday of next week, moisture starts to come back, and there's Thursday, a week from today. Got some troughing here, and again, that suggests a chance of showers and storms. And another surface low and cold front is north and west of the state. We'll check the end of the forecast. September 1st, hey, that's the first day of meteorological fall. I like the sound of that. 588 heat bubble west of here, troughing to the north. Here comes another cold front. No sign of any extreme heat. And you'll probably like this graphic if you're a cool weather fan. This is the GFS ensemble mean temperature anomalies for the rest of August. And it's suggesting temperatures below average and maybe way below average for much of the eastern half of the nation, with those negative anomalies centered over places that were just blazing not that long ago. So that's a refreshing look, and we hope that indeed works out. I think it will. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. We'll have notes on the blog. Next video here by tomorrow morning at 7. And don't forget to watch us on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 on the live stream or the television side. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.